Story time! I had a client presentation kanina. She has two plans and both are VOLs. One is done na because it's a 5-year plan and the other one is perpetual or meaning continuous yung paying or regular pay, and she's paying already for around almost 10 years already. And these two plans are from different companies. And when she opened it up to me, she mentioned na I already paid for a number of years. So why not hindi siya nag-break even? Like for example, she paid 30,000 per year for 5 years already. So most likely if i-multiply mo yun by 5, assumption is meron na siyang 150,000 dun sa fund value niya. Again, sample value, meron lang siya ng 120k. Whereas the other one is almost 10 years na siya nagpipay, let's say around 50,000 for 10 years. So, supposedly, ang inaasahan niya, meron siyang 500k. Pero yung laman ng fund value niya is just around 420k. So, that's her concern. Bakit ganun? Bakit di nagbe-break even yung amount ng money na binayad ko dun sa number of years when I multiplied it by the number of years? Basic way to explain VOL plan is, let's start by defining what VOL is. VOL is Variable Unit Link Insurance Plan which provides protection and opportunity to grow your money over time. Aside from that, kapag VOL lang kukunin mo, ang mga features niya kasi it's customizable based on your budget or based on what you want to have. Another thing is VOL can also have attachments of supplemental riders, okay, or additional component like pwede ka mag-add ng critical illness coverage, hospital income benefit, accidental death, and the others. Plus, the VOL plan can always adjust how much are you willing ka to start to have a security plan. But just to give you an FYI, VOL is linked to the market or investment. The main product here ay yung insurance at the end of the day. Investment here is just a component. And at the end of the day, when we say market, definitely the values are fluctuating. So it doesn't always follow na pataas siya lagi. Nagbabago-bago siya depending on the performance of the market and the economy. So, best advice for those people who start a VOL plan, just set your expectation na hindi porket we're paying for the amount of 50,000 yearly for 10 years, meron tayong agad i-expect na 500,000 or more doon sa VOL plan natin after nating matapos yung 10 years because it doesn't work that way. Again, the main portion of your payment goes to the insurance premium and just a portion of it goes to the investment. Hindi 100% ng 50,000 natin goes directly 100% sa investment. Okay? And the way you set expectation as well is, di ba mas maganda if isipin mo na, I am buying or I'm acquiring a security for 2 million coverage, but at the same time, meron pala ako nasisave na money na hindi ko namamalayan. Di ba? That's the best way to consider VOL.